Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Let's draw Peppa Pig with a yummy ice cream. Let's begin with Peppa's two big circle eyes. Draw a big sideways oval, but don't forget her little snout at the front. Now, for Peppa's head, it looks kind of like a hairdryer or maybe a jelly bean that got stretched. And now, let's draw Peppa's smile. Peppa is always smiling. And don't forget her cute little pink cheek. Add two tiny ears on top. Let's draw a triangle for her dress. And now, her stick arms and two stick legs. Next to her, let's draw a triangle for the ice cream cone. And then a nice, big scoop of ice cream on top. Don't forget the boots, big, muddy puddle jumping boots. Peppa is usually pink. Peppa wears a bright red dress. But you can color her ice cream any way you want. You can make it any flavor you like, chocolate, strawberry, or rainbow sprinkles. Thanks for drawing with me today. Like and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.